Now next is a seek parameter. So seek parameter is basically used to extract additional block of data which is not multiplied by the block size parameter. So which kind of block size parameters are there? K, M and G. Suppose we want to extract 1026 block from the source hard disk, and 1K is equal to 1024. So what about another two block? So for that another two block, we can use seek parameter in dd command. So let's see the example of it. Okay, so here we are going to discuss about the seek parameter. So first of all, we have to declare the input file and output file in a dd command. So first of all, declare our dd.exe. Then if is called input file, where we need to give the source path, okay, which is our removable pen drive. Now output file, for that OF and give the output file name seek example, okay, dot dd. So where it will store? It will store in a dd-05 folder. After that, same, give count command. So how much value we will give in the count command? So here we will give 1k. So 1k is equal to how much? 1k is equal to 1024 block. So if I am going to run this particular command, then it will automatically extract 1024 blocks. But here we want to extract 1026 block. So for that another two block, we will give seek command, seek parameter. We will give seek parameter. So how much additional block we want to extract, that we will define in a seek parameter. So 2 and then progress, to see the progress. Now give enter. So here it is showing 1024 block has been extracted. So now go in our path and check the particular file in a hex editor to compare it. Okay, so the file has been created called seek example.dd. Now open hex editor tool, hxd, go to the tool, open disk image, and then go to our path and select our file name and just open it. So here are the data. We can compare upper side also. We can see 1026 blocks are there, and here also we can see that first block which is starting from the sector 0. Okay, just go down or scroll down till end and see the last sector number. So here we can see 1025, as it is started from the sector number 0 and it is finished on 1025. Then how much it is? Total it is 1026 blocks. Here we can observe that a total of 1026 blocks have been extracted successfully, but when monitoring the progress in the command prompt, only 1024 blocks are displayed as extracted. It's worth notifying that whatever number we enter in a seek parameter doesn't seem to be reflected in a progress record. So please keep that in mind. So our goal has been finished and two additional block has been extracted successfully. So this is seek parameter.
Please subscribe and click the bell icon.